was improved gait quality with the professional rider compared with the normal riders. There was a variable effect on lameness. In 11 horses, a low-grade lameness was observed with the normal rider, but not with the professional rider. 3 horses which showed poor hind limb impulsion with the normal rider showed unilateral hind limb lameness with the professional rider, presumably because they were pushing the horse more, asking it to work harder, so underlying discomfort became more obvious. Overall, there were no significant differences in the total ridden horse pain ethogram scores with either rider, but there were some changes in the individual behaviours exhibited when a horse was ridden by either the normal rider and the professional rider. So basically, a skilled rider may improve gait quality, but they will not be able to obscure behavioural signs of discomfort. So I believe that a good rider cannot conceal the behavioural signs of discomfort. This is an Olympic level rider riding a dressage test in trot on the right and in canter on the left. We can see that the tail is swishing, the front of the head is behind a vertical position, more in canter than in trot. The horse's mouth is open with separation of the teeth. There is an intense stare and the ears are back. This is important at pre-purchase examinations. At a pre-purchase examination, the rider is frequently the vendor or a professional rider, and they may be more skilled than the purchaser, resulting in improved gait quality. And they will often say to the prospective purchaser that they must do X and Y to improve the horse's way of going. However, the professional rider will not be able to obscure the behavioural signs of discomfort, and we need to be aware of that. So with respect to using the ridden horse pain ethogram, I would strongly advocate the use of a checklist. And like any clinical skill, practice makes perfect. You get better at using the ridden horse pain ethogram. You need to watch carefully. And when you're just beginning, it can be useful to observe high quality video footage, full screen on a laptop or computer, not on a mobile phone, in order so that you can replay the video several times over so that you can focus on different aspects of behavior. Each horse needs to be watched for between 5 and 10 minutes, going through its full repertoire of movements. It seems challenging at first because everything happens very quickly, but rest assured that it does get easier with practice. The horse needs to be evaluated in walk, trot, and canter and performing transitions. We need to see the horse from behind, from the side, and coming back towards us. So observing the horse on the left rein, I would be standing in the AF corner. Whereas if I was evaluating the horse on the right rein, I would more walk to the AK corner to again see the horse moving from behind, from the side and towards me.